Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting journey with us. How are you all doing? I hope you're ready for an adventure. Today we're going to a town you might not have heard of, but it's just as beautiful and interesting as any big city. Nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, this town is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. This is Gudivada, a small town in Andhra Pradesh where quiet streets, old temples and lush green fields will transport you to a different world. Imagine walking down serene roads surrounded by the whispers of history and the embrace of nature. Gudivada, a name that might be new to you. But don't let its unfamiliarity fool you. This town has a rich history and a vibrant culture that will captivate your heart. But hey, life is all about exploring new places and seeing new things, right? Gudivada offers a unique blend of the old and the new, where tradition meets modernity in the most charming way. So get ready, we're going to explore this small town together, learn its stories, its culture and the lives of its people. From its bustling markets to its tranquil temples, Gudivada has something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just someone looking for a peaceful getaway, this town will not disappoint. So pack your bags, put on your explorer's hat, and join us as we uncover the hidden treasures of Gudivada. Let's dive into the heart of Andhra Pradesh and experience the magic of this enchanting town. So friends, where exactly is Gudivada? This quaint town is nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, a state known for its rich cultural heritage and vibrant traditions. Gudivada is not just a dot on the map, it's a place brimming with history and stories, waiting to be discovered. Look, it's tucked away in a corner of Andhra Pradesh, surrounded by lush green fields and serene landscapes that paint a picture of tranquility. The countryside here is a testament to the natural beauty that Andhra Pradesh has to offer, about 40 kilometers from Vijayawada. This proximity to a major city makes Gudivada easily accessible while still retaining its peaceful charm. Vijayawada, being a bustling urban centre, provides all the modern amenities, yet Gudivada offers a respite from the hustle and bustle. Situated near the Krishna River, this town is like a small, sweet secret hidden in a big mystery. The river not only adds to the scenic beauty, but also plays a crucial role in the lives of the locals, supporting agriculture and providing a serene backdrop for daily life. Now you might ask, how do we reach Gudivada? Well, the journey to this charming town is part of the adventure. Whether you choose to travel by road or by train, the routes are scenic and filled with glimpses of rural life in Andhra Pradesh. It's easy, my friend. You can go by road or by train. The roads are well maintained and the train services are frequent, making the journey comfortable and convenient. As you travel, you'll pass through picturesque villages and fields, giving you a taste of the local culture. And if you want to come by flight, land at Vijayawada Airport and you'll reach Gudivada in an hour's drive. The airport is well connected with major cities, making it a hassle-free option for those coming from afar. The drive from the airport to Gudivada is smooth and offers beautiful views of the countryside. Gudivada, a town that might look small on the map, but here you'll find something special on every street, every corner. From the warm hospitality of the locals to the rich cultural heritage, Gudivada is a place that leaves a lasting impression. Whether you're exploring its bustling markets or enjoying a quiet moment by the river, Gudivada offers a unique blend of tradition and tranquility. You know, Gudivada is not a new town. This place has been a silent witness to the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of cultures, and the passage of countless generations. Its foundation is buried with countless stories of history. Every corner of this town whispers secrets from the past, waiting to be discovered by those who seek them. Once ruled by the Kalinga dynasty, a powerful and influential kingdom that left an indelible mark on the region's culture and heritage. And then by the Vijayanagara Empire, which brought with it a golden age of art, architecture and prosperity. Even the name Gudivada has a history. It is derived from the words Gudi, meaning temple, and Vada, meaning village. Gudi means temple, and Vada means village. This name is a testament to the town's rich spiritual heritage, that is, the village of temples. And indeed, Gudivada is adorned with numerous temples, each more magnificent than the last. And truly, you'll find amazing temples here, one after another. These temples are not just places of worship, but are also architectural marvels that tell stories of devotion, artistry, and community. Each temple has its own story, its own history, the intricate carvings on the walls, the rituals performed by the priests, all contribute to the rich tapestry of Gudivada's cultural heritage. It's like the walls of these temples echo with the voices of centuries. As the sun sets, casting a golden hue over the ancient stones, one can almost hear the chants and prayers of generations past. Their inscriptions, their idols, everything speaks. The idols, with their serene expressions, seem to hold the wisdom of ages, while the inscriptions tell tales of kings, battles, and divine interventions. All you need is someone to listen. In the quiet moments when the hustle and bustle fade away, the temples of Gudivada reveal their stories to those who are willing to hear. The land of Gudivada is like gold. It grows rice, sugarcane, and all kinds of vegetables. The farmer's sweat and the hard work on the land are the real strength of Gudivada. But hey, this town is not just limited to agriculture. There are also small factories here that make food items and things related to agriculture. Life in Gudivada has a different rhythm. As soon as the sun rises, the farmer heads towards the field and in the evening, tired but happy, returns home. Getting around in Gudivada is not difficult at all, my friend. The road network is good, and there is also a railway station. Buses and trains keep coming and going from Vijayawada. If you want to travel within the city, you'll find auto rickshaws. And yes, there are also a couple of private taxi services. But hey, my suggestion is that you explore Gudivada on foot. Walk through the streets, talk to people, have a cup of tea at a tea stall. This is the real Gudivada. Look, you have to admit that Gudivada itself is not a very big tourist spot, but hey, there are so many places worth visiting around here that you'll lose count of the days. Koleru Lake, where you'll find thousands of birds. The Kanaka Durga Temple in Vijayawada, whose visit will bless you. Prakasam Barrage, Undavali Caves, Rajamundry, Eluru. The list is long, my friends, so if you are coming to Gudivada, take out some extra time and explore these places too. Festivals in Gudivada are a lot of fun, be it Ugadi, Sankranti, Vinayaka Chaturthi or Diwali. Every festival is celebrated here with great pomp and show. But hey, there is one festival that is the most special, Godavari Pushkaralu. It comes once every 12 years, and then the beauty of Gudivada is unique. People from all over the country and abroad come to see this festival. Lamps are lit in every house, temples are decorated, and there is an atmosphere of happiness everywhere. Education is also given a lot of importance in Gudivada. Here you will find many schools and colleges where education is imparted in every field, be it engineering, commerce or arts. The children here are very talented and work hard day and night to fulfill their dreams. There is a different kind of spark in their eyes, a different kind of passion. Healthcare facilities are also good in Gudivada. There are hospitals, clinics where you will find basic medical facilities, but hey, if there is any serious problem, people go to Vijayawada or Hyderabad, where there are big hospitals. How is the weather in Gudivada? Look, it gets hot here and it gets cold too. It rains and the sun also shines. In summer the temperature can go above 40 degrees, while in winter it stays between 15 and 25 degrees. There is no fixed time for rain, it can come any time. The real beauty of Gudivada lies in its people. Most people speak Telugu, but you'll find many other languages spoken here as well. The people here are very simple, very friendly. Once you come here, you won't feel like leaving. You will be delighted to see the hospitality here. So friends, this was a glimpse of Gudivada, a town that may be small in the eyes of the world, but is very big at heart. Hope you enjoyed this journey. We will continue to explore such unexplored cities of India. Until then, take care and keep smiling.